YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we're going to talk about some Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some Toshi Coin. We're going to talk about some news in crypto. So much going on, guys. A super volatile market, right? Market cap coming in today at 2.74 trillion market cap. Fear Greed Index coming in at 24. Before we get into this whole TA, I just gotta let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie. We just talking about crypto and things that are trending. Did talk about yesterday though that we were lacking volume and looking like we would probably end up seeing a dump down. As a matter of fact, I was even saying that this is looking like a short opportunity because again, how many times we rejected off of that Keltner channel yesterday. We rejected like 6 times, and now look, we're starting to break down again. We don't have a ton of support around this 83 range, to be honest with you guys. Our support is really down here mainly, and again, it's looking like we might see some more sell-off. You know, we can always, maybe if we can push back up to 84 and build off of that, but again, right now the trend is breaking down, right? I always think the trend is your friend, right? So when this thing looks like it's doing what it's doing right now, it does look like we are gonna see a probable retest. Honestly, I would expect this thing to even have more sell-off. I mean, kind of looks like it'd be hanging off of a cliff, right? It looks like we're gonna see a retest of 80K. Personally, I think that, but again, anything can happen. I don't know what's going to happen. We could really pump off of this and the market can go crazy. Maybe we'll get some bullish news. My thing is, what can we get that's bullish? Because I feel like we already got a ton of bullish news and I don't know what's going to pump the market. Whenever these guys decide to put their money back in, the same guys that took the money out, right? We know who's making all the money right now because the holder counts on all this stuff is increasing. But again, these big institutions are just draining our pockets, right? And how long are they going to do this? Honestly, guys, it could take weeks, could take months. It's probably going to take a couple months. I would assume probably maybe till like June, we'll see some funky consolidation, weird price action, and big developments happen in cryptocurrency. I'm still going to cover all the developments. I mean, maybe we do see a recovery before then. That would be amazing. But we're just seeing a lot of volatility. Yesterday, we were whooping that bear's butt, boy. We had that bear. We was whooping on him, boy. But look, we ended up breaking down with Bitcoin again, with the market breaking down. That's what I was telling you guys. We got to be careful with the market looking the way that it does, because again, Bitcoin just lacking in volume when we just weren't seeing it yesterday. As a matter of fact, just look at Bitcoin yesterday, just so you guys could see just how Bitcoin kind of finished out yesterday. It was a dang stable coin, like literally all day. And somebody commented on my video. They said, wow, you would be short at a support right now. And the reason, guys, why I'm short at the support is because the markets are open between Monday and Friday, right? So if we had a bunch of bullish news that didn't pump the market at all between Monday and Friday, and now the markets are closed and Bitcoin is lacking in volume on a Saturday, and we know that usually weekends have sell-off, to me, I knew that there was a better chance that we would have a breakdown than a break up on a Saturday. Again, if it was a Thursday and we were sitting right there, we would be having a different conversation. But because it was a Saturday, I just felt like there's a good chance that we were going to see some sell-off. Market just tends to see that on the weekend. So it's very rare that we do see a price pump on the weekend, but sometimes it does happen. But yeah. So anyway, guys, let's talk about actually some stuff that's going on over here on X, because we got some big stuff unfolding on X, kind of crazy. So you guys can see, of course, the number one thing trending is Bitcoin's volatility, the fact that it's broken down now so far. But also look at this. Binance halts market maker over GPS and shell irregularities. So I guess Binance listed this coin and it ended up being a scam. So this thing like sold off a whole bunch and Binance basically removed them, which is absolutely crazy, but honestly kind of interesting, right? Binance announced that they're gonna have this voting system, and then now they're having scams on chain. I was very surprised that they listed Pengu also, because when I looked at that project, I've made videos on that project and I don't like that contract. I feel like that project is a scam. But again, I just think it's really crazy that Binance is now took some coins off today. Let's see if anything else is trending right now. Just some basketball games. Binance, market manipulation. Not much else trending in the in crypto right now. I mean, the White House tweeting out just yesterday, well, 20 hours ago, actually. It says, America will be the Bitcoin superpower of the world. You see, you got Trump and the homies posted in the back. Yeah, but again, the market is dumping, so pretty interesting, right? What do you guys think? I'm very interested to know. Are you guys still bullish on crypto? When do you guys think that we're going to see the pump off the bottom? Do you guys think that we're going to see a retest of that 80K? I did tell you guys we might see a retest of 80K, even as low as 70, right? But again, only time will tell. Maybe we can pick back up. We also have to be careful too, because usually on Mondays, Tuesdays, a lot of time we see a fake. So again, I would be also paying attention to like a bear flag. Honestly, I would possibly be looking for shorts for the next 2 days. Honestly, I do think that our market probably has a good chance of breaking down. That's just me personally. So, you know, if you're not somebody that is, you know, doing leverage trading or whatever, then you can just look at this time as a great time to be accumulating, because again, we might see some cheaper prices in the market. I do think that that is the case. I'm still accumulating things. So I always look for these cheaper prices. This is the time, in my opinion, to be dollar cost averaging into the project. I don't care where I buy it at down here. Honestly, even if it breaks down more, I don't care, because I know that I got this for so cheap. And I know that the confidence in the market is so low that once the confidence in the market goes up, there's a pretty good chance that a lot of these coins, if you're investing in things that again are not totally pieces of crap, then there's a good chance that these things can see some recovery, right? If you invested a bunch of money in butt cheek token on Solana, I don't know, but maybe if you got some coins that are actually halfway decent, then they might, you know, survive and do pretty well. We'll see though, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Definitely also interested to see where Toshi is going to hold some support too. It seems like we are holding pretty decently down here. Again, we had some great volume yesterday. We really just got taken down with the rest of the market, but it looked like we wanted to do something. So maybe we'll see if Toshi Coin can have some decent volume again today. I think a lot of people were feeling good about yesterday. You guys could see a lot of buy orders coming in. There was a decent amount of sells, but again, it's a healthy exchange of buys and sells right now on this Bitcoin dip. It seems like some people are taking advantage of it. Some people also, again, maybe might be thinking that we might go a little lower. So maybe we'll see some more buy action happen if Bitcoin does go a little lower. But if Bitcoin does decide it wants to go a little lower, also just understand that we might see some volatility in the market and some cheaper prices. So just keep an eye out for that, guys. And we're going to continue covering this stuff. Got a lot to cover today, so we're definitely going to get into it. It is Sunday, though, so I'm also going to try to actually rest a little bit. But yeah, we're going to keep the videos coming. So just again, if it's your first time tapping in, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. Also, if you're not yet tapped in on Telegram, join us over on Telegram. And if you guys leave your Twitter handle in the comment section below, I'm still doing shout outs every video. We're shouting out 2 people over on Twitter. We've been doing it so much, guys. I've been doing so many shout outs, guys. It's awesome. So if you guys want to get a shout out, all you got to do again, drop that Twitter. And yeah, catch you guys next video. Peace.